What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you episode 57 of the Webull Option Adventures, where our goal is to sell options and collect that premium. So currently, as you guys know, the portfolio is at $31,692.30. We are still down. The market has been very volatile, but we are down about 53%, and that's a total of $14,397. Our current cash balance is at $18,951.30, and then our options buying power is at $6,296.50. That's the amount that we still have available to sell some more options if we wanted to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys all the trades that I did for this week, as well why I did them. But so far, if we look at the chart for month of February, it's looking pretty good so far. We still have plenty of time, and we will see what happens. But as you'll see, we have about $250.28 for the month of February. We're trying to at least match up to the last month of January, which was $306. So we got about maybe $56 more to go. Hopefully towards the end of February we can sell some more puts and collect some more premium, or we can buy back some of the options early by collecting 40 to 50% of the premium earlier. But yeah guys, if we look, I will show you guys the current positions that I do have. So the first one that we do have, guys, is actually one cash secured put on AMD with a strike price of $92.50. It's actually going to expire on the 18th of March, so we still have it's a monthly cash secured put. We collected $1.09. As you'll see that the premium, I guess the contract itself is worth $2.08, so that's about $208. The reason why this is because towards the end of Friday, the market did go down. AMD started going down, and then I put a trade in, and then from there it continued going down. So we're gonna let the Theta kick in and start eating into that premium so that we can keep majority of it. Hopefully it starts rebounding next week or the following week, and we can close it at 40 to 50% profit. I think it's going to be a great profitable trade, and I'm going to show you guys. Let me pull up the Yahoo charts and I will show you why I actually entered this trade. So I have AMD here, guys, on the Yahoo Finance. It's currently trading about $113.18. As you'll see, after hours about $112. So it has been going down. I think our strike price is very conservative. If we look at the 1 month, guys, you'll see that we have the Bollinger Bands, which we have the upper bound and the lower bound as well. If I quickly show you, the upper bound of the Bollinger Band for AMD is at $149.57. And then the middle of the band is at $126.25. So our current stock price is way below that. And then our lower bound for this is $102.94. So we're definitely way above our strike price. So we're very, very conservative. And if we scroll out a little bit, you'll see we do have we're right around the 200-day moving average currently. And then our strike price is way below the 300-day moving average, which the 300-day moving average is at $103, which honestly I would not mind picking up 100 shares of AMD if I did get assigned at $92.50. That would be pretty awesome. But yeah guys, that is the reason why I have AMD. Let's go ahead and move on to the next option play that I did, which is going to be actually one cash secured put on Leggett, and we actually sold it at a strike price of $35. It's actually going to expire the 18th of March as well, so it's almost about a month cash secured put. We actually collected 55 cents. So That's about maybe 2% for the month on this cash secured put. You'll see that the value of it's actually worth 65 cents. Remember, the market was going down towards the end of Friday. Honestly, this actually got to the point where I was able to collect maybe 30% of the premium, but I decided to wait out a little bit longer, and now I'm in the negative. But overall, I think this is gonna be a great trade. We're just gonna let Theta kick in. Hopefully we can buy back the contract early. But let me show you guys the Yahoo Finance for this, so that you guys can see why I entered this trade. So we have Leggett & Platt, $38.23. After hours, it's actually up a little bit, $38.39. If we look at the charts for the 1 month, you'll see actually, if I zoom in a little bit, you'll see that currently the blue line is the current stock price, but you'll see that the upper band for the Bollinger Bands at $43.22. Middle band is about $40.06, and then the lower bound of the band is at $36.90. So our strike price is $35, so way below the lower bound of the band. As well, if we were to zoom out a little bit, you would see that we are actually way below the 300-day moving average, which is over here at about $46. And then to me, leg is pretty awesome at $35 if we were to get it, and as well they do pay a dividend. So I don't think we'll reach $35, but we will see. I'm putting trades that I wouldn't mind getting assigned 100 shares, but yeah, we'll see how this one plays out, guys. Let's go ahead and move back to the next trade. So the next one that we do have here, guys, that I ended up entering, which is actually one cash secured put of TQQQ, and then we entered it at a strike price of $37.50. It's also going to expire on the 18th of March, so it's about a month away, and we collected 78 cents or $78, and it's actually worth way more now, so we are kind of technically down. It's at $1.41, and this one was another one that I think I was collecting about 20% of it as soon as I entered the trade, within maybe a couple hours, but I ended up not wanting to close it. So you can see how trade can flip right away, but I'm not worried about this one as well. We will see how this one plays out, because I think we're very, very conservative on the price. Unless the market drops another 30% or something, maybe that's when we might get assigned. But at the end of the day, we also have the ability to roll these options if we don't want to get assigned. But let me show you guys the charts here for TQQQ. So if I show you here, if we zoom in a little bit and we actually go here, you'll see that the current Bollinger Band for this is at $84.27 as our upper band, and then our middle band is actually $65.23, and then our lower bound band is at $46.19. So that is pretty cool. We are way below the lower bound of the Bollinger Band for our strike price, so we're very, very conservative on that. And then if we actually zoom out a little bit, you will see that we're way below the 300-day moving average, so it would be a good entry point. I don't think we'll get assigned. We'll see what happens, but at the end of the day, we can always roll if for some reason this was to go down lower. But yeah, guys, that is what I have for you for the cash puts I entered this week. As you'll see, we still have the 300 shares of Tattoo Chef, and then the last one here, we actually have 400 shares of Neo. We actually sold 4 covered calls at a strike price of $29. It actually expired yesterday on the 11th of February, and we collected $3 per contract, so about $12 we collected in total. These contracts did expire worthless, because you'll see Neo closed at $23.89, and then so definitely nowhere near a strike price of $29. But yeah, that is all the trade so far. Let me show you the history on our transactions here. That way I know somebody requested this, but you'll see that first trade we did, we entered on Neo 29. That was the covered call, and then we actually bought back AMD, sold TQQQ, Leggett and Platt, and then we bought Twitter. We exited that position, and then we finished off the week by selling another AMD cash secured put, which you guys saw. But yeah guys, this is what I have for you on this Webull app. If you're still watching, be sure that you're subscribed with that bell notification if you haven't done so already. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump over to the Google Sheets so that I can show you guys how much we made for this week. Alright guys, so we are here at the Google Sheets. We're at the dashboard. I'm gonna go ahead and actually show you how much we made for this week, so it'll be very exciting. So the date for this was actually the 7th of February, and it actually ended all the way on the 11th. So let's see how much we made. So we made a total of $222.47 for the week. That is pretty awesome. As you'll see, for the credits, we collected a total of $254, which after fees comes out to be $253.57. And then what we did, we actually paid $31, and that is from actually trying to exit early positions. And from there we had 0 gains, nothing invested. So pretty awesome week so far. If we look at the graphs, you'll see that so far for February we are at the $250.28, which I think we're doing pretty well so far. We still have maybe about 2 more weeks or so before the month ends, so we have a great opportunity to surpass January, or at least match it. If we look at the weekly performance, guys, you'll see that 88 so far comes out to be about $46,555.67. This is assuming if I was to not sell below my cost basis on some of the positions I'm actually down in. If we look over here to the right, you'll see that so far we've collected about 0.08% on our investment. Remember that we did do some tax loss harvesting, so it did put us in the negative for a bit, but we are back in the positive, guys. If we look at the credits here, you'll see that everything in the kind of purplish, these are the cash secured puts. I did enter quite a bit. You know, these were the monthly ones, which we held about maybe 20-30 days or so, and we actually exited the positions way early. So I'm not early, but very cheap, and then we collect the majority of the premium there. You'll see that we actually sold covered calls on Neo, which actually expired worthless, and then you'll see that we entered these long monthly cash secured puts on TQQQ, Leggett, AMD, and they're still open, so we will see how these play out. They're going to be very awesome. If we look at the debits, you'll see that this is where we purchased AMD and Twitter back. We paid about $20, $11, so about $31, as you guys saw earlier. If we look at the gains, guys, there was actually nothing in gains. If we look at the current buys, there was also nothing in current buys. But yeah guys, this is actually all I have for you in this episode. Thanks so much for watching. If you stuck all the way to the very end, be sure that you drop a big thumbs up as well. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you're subscribed with that bell notification so you're notified when I upload new videos. Typically I upload these type of videos on a Saturday. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Take care, stay safe out there. Bye guys.